Hello everyone, welcome to Vijay Chemistry channel. Today we are going to discuss the important topic from mole concept, equivalent weight. Equivalent weight. What is meant by equivalent weight? Equivalent weight means, for example, if you take A is an element, A is an element, this A going to react with, this A going to combine with 8 grams of oxygen atoms, 35.5 grams of chlorine atoms, or 1.008 grams of hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atoms. That is we are calling equivalent weight. So, how much mass of A element going to combine with 8 grams of oxygen atoms, 35.5 grams of chlorine atoms, or 1.008 parts of oxygen atom. That part we are calling the particular mass of A. So here A is nothing but any element, sodium, potassium, iron, like that. Okay. So here while going to combine with these many parts of the particular element, that is we call equivalent weight. So definition: the number which indicates so A is a number which indicates A is an element, that number which indicates combine or displace with, combine or displace with by the parts of, by the parts of 8 grams of oxygen atoms, or 1.008 grams of hydrogen atoms, or 35.5 grams of chlorine atoms. Are called equivalent weight or gram equivalent weight. So this equivalent weight or gram equivalent weight to calculate we are using some formulas also. Equivalent weight is equals to, if it is an element, atomic weight, by its valency. Atomic weight by valency. If it is ion, equivalent weight of ion, if we take that ion atomic weight by charge. Okay, that ion, for example, sodium ion Na plus. Sodium atomic weight is 23. Charge plus 1. So charge is 1. Like that. Next, if it is a compound, equivalent weights of compound. Or molecule. At the time, these molecules are different types. That may be salt or acid or base. So, based on the compound, there will be small changes. So, equivalent weight of molecule is nothing but molecular mass divided by n divided by n. N factor. N factor. If it is atom, n factor is valency. If it is ion, n factor is charge. Same way, for equivalent weight of molecule, n factor what means? If it is acid, n factor. If it is acid, for acids, n factor is basicity. Basicity of an acid. If it is for bases, for base, n factor is acidity. For bases, n factor is acidity. If salts are there, at the time n factor is number of positives or number of negatives. Okay. For salts, n factor is number of positives or number of negative charges. Okay, we'll discuss clearly one by one. No problem. This is the small briefing about equivalent weight, definition, and formulas. Okay, we'll go through the examples. So, what is the formula for atoms? Equivalent weight to find out for atoms means atomic weight by valency. If it is ion, atomic weight by its charge, the particular ionic charge. If it is a molecule, molecular mass by n factor. Why we are telling n factor? N factor means either valency or charge. Or if it is the molecule is acid, basicity we are going to find out in that. If the molecule is base, we are going to find out acidity. If the molecule is salt, we are going to take, because salt is formed by cation, anion. So number of positive charges or number of negative charges, both are equal. So we are going to take that as a n factor. Okay, this is equivalent weight. Now we will go through examples. Yes. Now first one we are going to calculate equivalent weight for atoms. Okay. If they give an element, if they ask find out the equivalent weight of the so and so element, at that time immediately what is the formula? Atomic weight by valency of the particular element. For example, here now what is the equivalent weight of calcium? Equivalent weight of calcium I want. Calcium. Immediately calcium. What is the mass number for calcium? Atomic mass of calcium is 40 by calcium valency. Okay. If you observe our short videos, every basic information given through the short videos. So how to find out valency and all. Calcium valency is 2. Because calcium atomic number 20, nearest noble gas element, argon. Calcium lose 2 electrons to get to stability of argon, so 2 is the valency of calcium. Now if you simplify it, 20. So what is the equivalent weight of calcium? 20. Next, find out the equivalent weight of find out the equivalent weight of carbon in CO2. Like this, they ask one question. Immediately find out the equivalent weight of carbon in CO2. So they are asking element carbon equivalent weight. Immediately our formula equivalent weight of carbon is equals to carbon mass number is 12. What is the valency of carbon? Good. 4. So what is the equivalent weight of carbon? 3. 3 is the equivalent weight of carbon. Next, find out equivalent weight of oxygen in H2O. So immediately equivalent weight of oxygen is equals to atomic weight of oxygen is 16 by its valency is 2. Simplify 8 will get. Okay, like that. For example, you want to calculate gram equivalent weight. Same equivalent weight expressed in grams, that is we call gram equivalent weight. Okay, like that also you can take. Yes, children, understood, right? Now, continuation. Solve this. Equivalent weight of magnesium in magnesium chloride. Next, equivalent weight of zinc in zinc sulfate. Find out equivalent weight of phosphorus equivalent weight of phosphorus in H3PO4 phosphoric acid. Yes, calculate. Yes, equivalent weight of magnesium is equals to magnesium mass number is 24. Magnesium valence is 2. So 12 is the equivalent weight of magnesium. Same way for zinc. So zinc, how to find out valency for zinc? Sulfate ion, its charge is -2. Zinc is +2. So means zinc valence is 2 here. Equivalent weight of Zn is equals to zinc mass number is 65 by 2. Means how much you will get? 32.5. Next, equivalent weight of phosphorus. Formula. Weight of phosphorus is 31 by phosphorus in S3PO4. Phosphorus equivalent weight. Phosphorus valency. How much? 5. So how much will you get? 6.02. This is the equivalent weight of phosphorus in H3PO4. Phosphorus exhibit variable valency 3 and 5. So in H3PO4 it exhibit 5 valency. That is what we considered as a valency 5. Children, I hope you understood how to find out equivalent weight for atoms, elements. Okay, this is the way, the particular atomic weight by valency. Thank you to all. Its continuation will be there in the upcoming videos. Based on equivalent weight, we are going to discuss. Today we discussed about element, how to find out equivalent weight. Next video we are going to discuss about if they give ion, how to find out equivalent weight. And time permit, it will continue in the same video. Otherwise, one more video we are going to do about in acids how to find out equivalent weight, in base how to find out equivalent weight, in salts how to find out equivalent weight. Okay, so based on equivalent weight, we are going to discuss 3 more videos. Don't forget, watch completely, you will get clarity. And also, you practice yourself. Thank you.